Welcome to the tutorial video of how to install the Embrace Pro. Do take note of the items that are provided and that you have all the items as shown. Flip the base upside down and insert the casters firmly into the base. Do the same for the other casters. Flip the base back up and insert the gas lift into the base. Grab the seat and place it on a heightened surface. Align the holes on the bottom of the armrest to the screw holes. Be sure to use the longer screw instead of the shorter screw. Tighten all the screws. Repeat the steps for the other side. Align the seat mechanism with the holes and screw in with the screws. Ensure all screws are tightened on all four sides. Align the backrest with the screw holes. The screw and washer are used here. As you tighten the screws, you will hear a clicking sound. Lower the seat onto the gas lift. Insert the headrest at the top and secure with screw.